Following video is a test of the National 183D's new standby system while on the WA9ZTY vintage radio net.
Hey, good morning, John. John WA9ZTY.
Okay, guys, this is Dave W9WRL. I'm standing by to take more check-ins for the WA9ZTY vintage AM group. Please call me now.
Kilo 5, uniform, Julia.
So it's first test with the NC 183D.
Bravo, Echo, Alpha.
See if I can get in.
N8 to ZBA, November 8 to Zulu, Bravo, Alpha. November 9, India, Papa, Quebec.
November 6 Tango Lima uniform. See if I made it. Sounds like KG8LB dove out of there.
Okay, I might have missed one or two, but here's what we got. W0BMC, K5UJ, N9SWR, N8ZBA, N9KGR, N9IPC, K9AAL, W9RMB, and W9LT. One more time, last call.
I'll try it again.
Whiskey 9 Bravo, Echo Alpha, W9EEA, good morning. Here's KG8LB.
November 6 Tango Lima uniform. That should have made it that time. November 6 Tango Lima uniform.
Okay, N6TLZ Zebra, I think it was.
Close.
Okay, guys, we're on the rotation here. We've got more guys on our time. So, keep it short. Please, on the ground, we need to turn frequency over to call me out. We'll start with W0BMC. K5DJ, FWS, N8ZBA.
I'm at the end.
N9KGR, over to N9IPQ, K9AAL, we'll then give it to W9RMB, we'll give it to Walt, WA9LT, Walt, you give it to November 6 Tango, W9Zulu, I believe that's correct. Robert, go ahead, good morning, how are you?
Yep, at the end.
Hey, Dave, KG8LB checked in quite a while ago.
Yeah, that's where I was going there, and I think that was about the third time you checked in, so I put near my spot there if you get Gary in there,
Right.
there, Dave.
From that, Robert, then give it to Gary, and then Gary and you will drop K5UJ, and then we'll finish rotation from there. Go ahead, Robert.
Oh, excellent, excellent. I want to say hi to one and all this morning. People are
This is Robert.
My
VMC. He builds big transmitters.
Mr. Dave on that DC610 has been on it there for the last couple of weeks there that I know about, and it's on the air performing quite well, as is the other 610s. I heard a little quick
Taking my ass meter.
hello IPQ can, and some people that checked in are coming after me, of course Rob, and we'll scoop it up with the Gary there, but congrats once again there, Dave. And Gary, want to catch you for the band win. Short. KG8LB, how you doing out there? W0 BMC.
This is Gary.
Well, thank you. I'm glad you got the QSL. We sent a batch of those out last week, and probably going to send another batch out. This KG from Michigan on the recently renovated Viking 1. This is the third day we've had it on the air.
Wow.
Did quite a bit of work on this one since we picked it up at Marshall back in June of last year. But it seems to be working okay now. We got 12AX7 6C4 audio lineup, the 807s, and played quite a bit with capacitor values, getting the audio where we liked it anyhow. So hopefully it's doing okay. And the other half of this is over there with N6TLU. Hope you can make some good use of all that stuff that Rick's hauled over there for us. And hope it just hope it survives shipping the second time. When I was watching your video, and you know, I've seen several Viking I ships. They require some special handling with that aluminum cabinet with the hollow bottom. You've got to fill it with some plywood and make a little mini pallet for it. That's the only way it's going to survive. And you've got to have all the screws in. The two in the bottom that come up through the bottom of the cabinet, and then the four in the front have got to be there. Otherwise, the shipping people can really tear them up. Anyhow, let me keep it with K5UJ. Go ahead and take it away, K8LB.
What a great signal. Hear my birdie? There's something around here. I'm not sure what it is. Hey, UJ, where's your audio? Oh. Anyway,
All right,
there he is.
Gary, fine business, KG8LB, and the net from K5UJ. Hey, well, good morning, everybody. This is Rob in St. Charles, Illinois. And I'm just on here to make sure all my 75 meter stuff is still working. 20 degrees here this morning.
Here's who you're listening to.
Go ahead, Frank. N9FWS and the net from K5UJ. Good morning, everybody, at 73.
All right, Rob, K5UJ, N9SWS here, Frank in Lockport on the DX100G. Boy, I was just chat room with the packet and layer a tile on it, trying to figure out what people were doing when. And my soul, and after that, too much Romulan ale at the Star Trek show. Anyway. You know, with all this nice weather we're having, you want to go outside and plant something. And Dave Howard, a banana plant too, and I used to work on a BC610. So over to NHDVA, this is N9WS. W9WOO.
All right. N9FWS. Good morning to you, Frank, and everyone on the WA9ZTY Vintage AM net. Dan in Greenwood Township, about 20 miles northwest of Port Huron, where it's in the 20s, but by golly, it's going to get up in the 40s today, I hear, and it's going to be a beautiful weekend. Congratulations to all the BC610s on the air right now. We heard all the fine signals from them, so we figured we'd fire up ours. And hopefully it sounded just as good as all the other ones. BC610H, 614 speech amp, D104, and C100A receiver, 160 meter full wave loop. So thanks for letting us get into the net. N9KGR to pick it up. From NA to ZBA, Dan in Greenwood saying good morning.
WB9ZTY.
Gigantic signal.
Trees in there. Okay, Dan. This is N9KGR, Bruce in Cleveland, Wisconsin. Running a WRL 300 and a different receiver, a National NCX 101 this morning. And earlier, it's learning all about the quick stems are sounding good. And I don't have mine on, but same old WRL. Turn it down to Dan. Again, N9IPQ, N9KGR.
W9SWR.
N9KGR, N9IPQ. Good morning, gentlemen. Hello to Robert. Jeff with his glue on his fingers from playing with his weather computer model. And Dave and Jerry and get well soon, Steve-O. Over to K9AAL. This is N9IPQ.
W9WOR.
whipping through that list pretty quick. Can't quite hear this guy.
Pete, RMB, you're up. Okay, I don't hear Pete, so that means it goes over Walt, WA9LT.
WA9RMB,
At the spot.
Had my list on. Anyway, good morning to all. On the usual stuff, I'm Oldest, Beacon Glenview, 28 degrees, XC200, YA2, dipole, ladder line, and clear SM58 mic. Thank you for the update, and you all have a good weekend. And over to WA9LT, Walt, over to you, sir, WA9RMB.
Yeah, W9RB, this is WA9LT. Good morning here to everyone on the net. I'm about 27 degrees here in Tennessee, Illinois. I lost my internet here this morning, so I've been working on that, sort of listening in and trying to do things. I think it's the telephone company at DSL, so they're having something wrong there. So all my interns are working on things. Anyway, that's all I have. I didn't quite catch the call. I didn't have some interference when it came in, but I know it's an N6T, something with
Here it comes to me.
over to you.
Yeah, it's November 6 Tango Lima uniform. This is Terry in Battle Creek, Michigan. And special thanks to you, Gary, KG8LB, for that cabinet. I plan to transfer the Viking 1 into that cabinet today and send some pictures to the owner. I'm running a Johnson Viking II. I also have that same audio mod in this one that you do, Gary, with the 12AX7 6C4. And this also has the Hammond interstage transformer. My receiver is a National 183D. This is one that I featured last night with the new standby switching installed, and it's working beautiful. Thanks for letting me in, guys. We'll hopefully see you next week. N6TLU, and I don't think I'm supposed to pass it to anybody. I think I'm at the end. Go ahead.
W9WOO. All right, guys, let me jump back in here. We have about 90 seconds, and we're going to pick up W9WOO, and he's going to give it over to Steve, W9SWR, and Steve, you're going to give it over to Gene, DQD. Guys, we got about 90 seconds, so you got to keep it short. So, go ahead.
I just want to say good morning to all my AM family. Just wanted to say hello. Hello, Terry up north. Hope you got my last email. Everybody, just want to say hey. So, just wanted to say hi. I'm over here on the YA2 FT101WE with the FL2100 amplifier. Back to, what is it, W9SWR or W9WOO?
Real fine, W9SWR here. Good morning all. Good morning, Dave. Thanks for running a net. Brief running one of the 610s here. Yours sounding great. Hopefully mine sounds at least as good as yours. So over to you, Eugene, WB9DQD, W9SWR. Good morning all.
Thank you, WB9ZTY. It was quick, and we're on the Valiant, working on the HC150, and much steam recovery for the surgery there. So, back to you, Dave. Thank you very much, WB9ZTY.
Okay, Gene, thank you very much. Okay, guys, 30 seconds before net time, so I'm going to take that up and just say thanks for everybody checking in. And Steve, SWR, I'll shoot you a text a little later today with a couple, 3 pictures of a little mod I did on the BC610 this morning. And guys, thanks a lot for checking in. Great net. I think there were more guys that wanted to check in, but some of them I couldn't hear, and we just ran out of time. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to net control for Midwest Classic Radio Net, wherever that might be this morning. And we'll see you guys all here next week. This is W9WRL. Good morning.
So there's a taste of that net. I'm usually not up in time to get into it, so that was a lot of fun.